Today, I'm gonna be filming our house. Actually, this is our old house. Do you see that? My mom and me usually stay here, and yep, this is our living room actually. If you're gonna notice, the walls are empty because my mom actually, I don't know, removed all the frames and everything. I think she's gonna have it repainted. And you see all her collections are on the floor. You see that? It's like we have an auction or something. I love these three wise men over here. See, very cute. They bring a lock or something. And there's what do you call this? This lady with the old clock. And hold on, what else? See, she loves Buddha. See this Buddha over here? There, it's very cute. Oh.
You want to us sa Big Bang Bazaar?
Papa E, where are we?
Kaya lang may headlight.
Where are we?
Eh?
Where are we?
Why?
Where are we?
Hi.
Where are we? We are at?
Ako kulit.
Where are we? I'm gonna show this, I'm not kidding.
Baby, is that video? Video lang.
Take two, we're here at
Big Bang Bazaar.
But where's
here
the Big
at
Bang?
NBC 10.
We're here at NBC 10. But it's already closed.
That's what we're good at.
Yeah, closing bazaars. I'm sorry I wasn't able to film anything. So I'll be able to show you.
You can shoot the people packing.
Shoot what? People packing. Why am I gonna be interested in all people packing? So, what else is interesting here in, where are we? NBC 10.
NBC tent.